Good morning from Rothesay, and it seems that we have some more visitors coming to the Isle of Bute today. Out of all the years that I've come and visited this place, it's the very first time I actually saw a cruise ship here.
Rothesay Castle is unique among Scottish castles for both its early date and unusual circular plan. It is also famous for its close links with the Stuarts, both while they were hereditary High Stewards and from 1371 a royal dynasty. To this day, the heir to the throne still has the title Duke of Rothesay. Walter, the third High Steward, probably built the first stone castle in the early 1200s as a defence against the Norwegians. The kings of Norway twice besieged and took Rothesay in 1230 and 1263. The Stuarts added 4 projecting towers to prevent the castle falling into enemy hands again, but they were never put to the test. The Stuarts later added the Great Gatehouse, but the castle soon fell into decline. In the 1800s, the Crichton Stuarts, Marquesses of Bute, restored the ruined castle to its present state.
I enjoyed walking around Rothesay Castle, but I had to be very mindful of filming. There was a group of tourists that I assume came off the cruise ship, so they were walking around enjoying themselves, and also there were nesting seagulls, so I had to give them a wide berth. I didn't want to disturb them.
and soon enough it was time for me to catch the ferry back to the Scottish mainland. I enjoyed my 3 days on the Isle of Bute immensely. I enjoyed visiting some of its top attractions, beaches and ancient sites. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves.